Do you have 21 gauge?
21 gauge.
Yeah, do they make that? Yeah.
They do make it, I don't have it.
Okay, so don't worry about it then.
20 gauge.
Then I need
How many?
just one of those. Well, I've got more stuff coming. All right.
Alright, thanks very much, Dave. When you get it, please review any questions or concerns, let us know. Otherwise, I'll be on the lookout on Tuesday.
Thank you. This one.
Alright, can we open it now?
Now that's going to be another video. What do you think we got in there? I'm guessing. I know what it is. I bet I can remember because I've ordered too much stuff and I can remember what that one is because the size is right. What do you think? What do you think? That's a 1955 Cadillac air cleaner. One of the coolest air cleaners ever made. Let's open it up. Yep. Don't be bashful. Cut it. Cut it, cut it. Man. Here it is. Cut that. Just taped it in. He wrapped it good. He wrapped it real. Oh yeah, it's all here. That's nice. Oh baby, look at that. Everybody that's ever had one knows what these are. These things are beautiful. Yeah, we'll paint it red, throw it on a Chevy, pinstripe it. Yeah, we better put it over.
MJ's on the glass.
Hey, this is Dave.
I went with the glass till after 11 in minutes, so.
Okay, that's Mike. He's on the way. Yeah, we're just sitting here waiting for it.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Alright.
Just staying here all good.
You can come in here if you want. We're just sitting here. Okay, sound up. Well, here we are. We had to run inside and get out of the weather. It's the next day. We've got the windshield. Mike's sitting out there in the rain waiting. Sitting in his van because we've got, we're in Florida. It's gonna rain. We're waiting it out, but we've got everything and we're gonna do it. So stay tuned.
So I guess someone got impatient, so now we're heading out there now.
Just took a little while to get the glass.
Right here we have the power windows. I believe that's what's in here.
It says on the side.
There they are. The button. Finally stopped raining, so we're going to try to dry the car up. We've got a chamois here. We're ready to put the windshield in. So Mike's out here getting the window ready, and we'll be ready in about 10 minutes.
all this tape for?
Now right here, what we've got is the windshield is set in place. Mike has centered the windshield so that we have the exact amount of space all the way around. He's marked it with these arrows. What he's going to do is take the windshield out again. He's going to put the sealer in. Once the sealer goes in, then he'll set it back in and line it up with these arrows so that we get it exactly in the same place, and then the chrome will go back on correctly. Well, it only took 2 days, but we've got the windshield and the back glass in. And we got so much rain today that it kind of put us behind schedule. So tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, we're going to get up early and come over here and do the door glass. Is that okay with you, Sleepy?
Let's get up early on Saturday.
Yep. We're going to put him to work. Ding dong, here we are. Third day is a charm, I hope. We're going to do the windows, the door windows, the wing windows, the actuators for the windows, and actuators for the door locks. And I think, are you up for it? Can you do it? You sure?
Yeah.
You really sure? Okay. He says we can do it, so we're going to do it.
This tool is used for taking door handles off older cars like this one. What you do is you take the tool, you slip it in whichever way the handle is facing, and then you push in until you hear it click. Doing it right.
You gotta get behind, there's a plastic piece.
Look, this is what you're going to be pushing up against.
Feel it.
See the clip?
Kind of go back and up and down a little
In
bit.
between the plastic and the black part. I mean, in between the plastic and the metal. Yeah, there you go. It's off. Now just pull it off.
Okay, so this is what the tool does. It takes this little spring and it pops it out. You can push it back in whenever you take the door handle off, so it's ready to be put back in whenever you're done with taking the door off.
Right here, and see this? Go around until you feel one. You feel this right here? Look right here. This one popped out already. Feel that? See that? See that right there? You're going to find some of those all the way around. Feel around until you get one, then you push that up and pop it out. Okay.
But this whole window here goes all the way down to the bottom. So this is one frame that pulls out, and you unscrew here, screw on here, and then pull that out. And then you could bend it out and slide it out. You have a guide right here. It's a piece of metal that goes like this, and it rides back and forth in these little wheels. And this is part of the regulator too. So all this.
has, this is what holds it in. This basically holds the thing to be inside there and keeps it from moving around. So what we're going to do is put this back in here. Get it up here. Pretty simple. I'll put this back down here. If I can get it. Last night, just driving down the road.
Oh, and it just fell off?
Yeah. Well, this is too small. This should be a lot bigger than it is, and it's.
Oh, I got you.
It's not.
Grabbing real.
Maybe I can turn it over and make it work. Well, usually when there's no COVID going on, there's a lot of things that happen around here. Palm Harbor, the area we live in, there's always parades and things like that. People get out and do a lot of things. So we thought we should get us a little parade truck. And we picked us up a 1953 white the other day that runs. A guy sold it to me out of Miami. Nice guy, good truck. And we drove it right up on the trailer. Can't believe it. Runs like a top. It's sitting right there. We're looking at the inside of this door right now. This car has been well taken care of because there's, looking down here, there's no dirt in the door, there's no rust in the door, there's no water in the door. It's beautiful.
Quick. This needs to come out of there to put that through the hole, and all this is riveted. There's not one spot where you can unscrew it. It's got these special rivets in it. I don't have that stuff to put those back in. Did you want me to put a slit in the rubber on the inside?
Split it from the inside.
Okay, and then we'll urethane it back together when it's in. Okay.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we got her done. Everything's in. We've done the rear window, we've done the front window, resealed, sealed, everything's not leaking now, it's real nice. Side windows, the vent windows, they're all in. It's taken us a couple days, but we got her done. What do you think? Did you learn anything today?
Yeah, I've learned a lot. I've learned that you should probably hire a professional.
Wait a minute. Never hire a professional. Learn to do it yourself. And that's what he's doing now. Here we go, let's do it some more. We'll see you next week.